Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. Thirsty. Today's video I'm going to be showing you what I eat today, and I'm going to be doing a leg workout. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to do this 15-minute leg, butt, and thigh workout. Got ankle weights right here. Add some extra strength. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the sound of my fan, but it's hot in here because our air conditioning broke and someone has to come in and fix it, so I have to have the fan on. So here it is. Okay, my face is still kind of red. This smells so good. I like this. It's better than I expected it to be. Normally when I make tofu scramble, I make it taste like eggs, so I put black salt in it, which is like a salt that's popular in India, I think. It's called kala namak. And It's high in sulfur, so it has an eggy flavor to it. But this is my first time doing it like this, Southwest style. It's really good. That one block of tofu and that one sweet potato, it made like a whole container of food. So it's the perfect meal prep recipe as well. And I'm going to be eating it throughout the week. Don't have to worry about coming home and cooking. That's what I love about tofu scramble, because you can eat it at any time of the day. This is a perfect breakfast recipe, lunch or dinner. I need more ketchup and some more of this because it's really good. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I know I keep talking about this tofu, but it's so versatile. My dog's trying to get in my room. No, you are not getting my food. Not today. So yeah, I was thinking about making breakfast tacos with these. It'd be great with corn tortillas or flour tortillas, or even burritos. That would be so good. You can make a perfect, to-go breakfast. Grab one to-go breakfast, make burritos and freeze them, and just microwave them in the morning. If you've never made this before, make it. I'm probably the one late making this because tofu is popular. Tofu scramble is not popular. This is a lot of protein too. Beans, tofu, a good source of protein. Very satisfying. So that sums up my what I eat in a day video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.